Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome in today's BornPrettyStore unboxing video. The first item in today's unboxing is Outer Space L001. Second is Spring Garden L007. Fourth is this stamping polish in the shade of Throne. Fifth product is another stamping polish named Pure. And lastly is the Noon Sunshine, which is also a stamping polish. All of these items were sent to me by BornPrettyStore to review. Which among these items would you like me to review first? Leave your comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!